Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this interesting question. Solve the simultaneous equations log to base x of y is equal to 2 and xy is equal to 8. So for us to solve them simultaneously, we should have them either in terms of normal numbers or in terms of logs. So let us write the first one in terms of numbers instead of being in terms of logs. So we can write it using the index notation. So the base is x, the power is 2, and the number is y. So we have two equations in terms of numbers, that is 1 and 2. So this one is already expressed in terms of y, so we can just substitute in the first equation. So we say from equation 2, y is equal to x squared. That is very obvious. So we can now substitute into equation 1 so that we have x times y. And remember, y is x squared, and that's equal to 8 according to equation 1. So x times x squared, that is x cubed, and that's equal to 8. So we just get the cube root of both sides, so that x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, remember that y was given by x squared, which is just 2 squared, and that is 4. So we have that x is 2 and y is 4. Thank you for watching. Kindly do not forget to subscribe.